একটা ব্রেকিং খবর পাই থাকে সবটি সাউথ ইস্টার্ন সিটি অফ কেরমেন ইরানটি দুইটা ইমান পাৱাৰফুল ব্লাষ্ট হাদসা ওলাই যায় কিনে 80 জন লাগাজান হাৰাই দিছে আৰু 170 জন ইমান বিয়া পৰা জখম কৰি দিছে কৈ কিনে আমি খান খবৰ পাই লৈ আছে ৰিপৰ্টে ইটো ব্লাষ্ট হাদসাটো লি 2020 US drone attack te Iran Reserve Commander Qasim Soleimani murai dia laga anniversary cemetery te jama kurgena program loi thakya damti blast hoi jaigena program te aha khan ki afsos ani dise aro Iran media report ti manu murija increase hobo nishna ase kogena report dia ase semi official report ti road area te gas cylinder phutija karni hadsa hoina thakya ko ase ulipi ita takti terrorist attack na gas cylinder laga thakse iku details na pagina thakya ko dia ase aro ito hadsa karni nationwide afsos te ase ito karni authorities khan tu hadsa opoti detail investigation kugena ja thakya official report pailuya ase next khobor te border security force BSF personnel sentry duty nijor laga service rifle logina temporary outpost Kaching district of Mainpur state ti posted kugena thakya nijor bra jan loilu shekugena khobor aha ase report e hatsa toili duste rati 11:40 pm inika tamti nijor bandu khater logina jokhum kulosha aro hatsa hwasat sangu public health center ponchai digena jivan hospital Kaching bazar te refer kudishe olipi bacha bole napara ho jaigina 2 baji phujor sas khotom ho jaise ko ase police report BSF jawan toili 41 years Radishyam Gujar identify kuri dia ase aro 163 battalion a koi Rajasthan state Nagri Bostibora recruit kugena Mainpur state te situation karni posted kugena thakya ami khan janibo pare ase nijor lagajan loi lobole inika extreme step loigina thakya immediately reason janibole para nai ko ase aro BSF personnel laga lash toli Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science Imphal ti rakhi digena native bosti loi jabole program kuri thakya state police khan hadsa oporti details jonai di thakya viewers khan ke jankari dia ase whole north east state against kuri thakya Citizenship Amendment Act CAA likely to sal Lok Sabha election held nakura akiti implement kurlobole plan kuri thakya khobor pailuya ase CAA laga kahani tuli December 2 tarik 2019 bra pass kurdisha aro Rajya Sabha ti pass kurdigena 2 din macheti itu CAA under citizenship of non-Muslim immigration Afghanistan Bangladesh aro Pakistan bra December 31st 2014 agete ahigena thakya khan ki citizenship uthai dibole Union Home Minister Amit Shah bra upper house te introduce kura sat controversy ulai ja shekili Muslim ekla hatai di thakya nimite aro sources sabti ita rules and regulation khan sob ready ho jasha aro CAA under online apply kurbole bishi deri na logina portal khol dibole ko ase aro eligibles khan laga details khan sob publish kudibole ready ho jashe ko gena jonai dia ase aro Mainpur state Tobol district Monday phujor militant khan bra bosti attack kugena 4 jon murai digena alag jokhum paina thakya macheti ekjon jan harai jashe aro 5 jon ho jaina murija deceased family khan tu protest sur kugena administration khan ki dead body claim no kurbo kugena awas uthai thakya report pailuya ase joint action committee JSC of Mite Panglakhan memorandum submit kugena thakya nishna village protection forces promotion kurlobole icha kurdibiko ase aro Monday din murai dia hatsa case logina National Investigation Agency NIA khan ki handover kurdibole demand kurloya ase action kuridibon nimite next khobor te 60 jon opor manu khan Gujarat state bra Nicaragua bound flight logina US jai thakya human trafficking suspected ti France bra wapas kuri dishe ko gena khobor pailuya ase Official report ti passengers khan tu immigration agent ke 60 to 80 lakh dibole deal kurgina illegally US border cross kurgina ponchai dibole planning kurgina ja thakya ko ase aru passengers khan reveal kuri dia toili immigration agent tu US border cross kurbole promise kura ekla na hoigina air ticket aru emergency fund khan pi provide kurdigina thagishe holipi human trafficking suspected hoija issue ti French country bra wapas pathai dishe ko gena khobor pailu ya ase